my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to share this stamp set with you today because not only does it have matching dies, but if you're in our Die Hard Club when this comes out, you're getting 2 free gifts. Why? Because we love you. So we thought that'd be really fun to give out free gifts. And the fun thing about this die set is it's so awesome. It's so versatile. There's so many things you can do with it. So without further ado, here we go. It is called Pocket to Stamp, and look at how cute it is. Now, at first glance, you're gonna say, wait, I don't get it. It's a pocket inside of a pocket. Well, never fear, my friends. This stamp here is separate from all of these other stamps in here. This stamp here is different than this stamp right there. And of course, there's dies that match, and I'm gonna hide the freebies so nobody sees them, so they're a surprise, okay? I know how we all love our surprises. So here's the matching dies. Now, the fun thing about the matching dies is they're so big they had to be turned the opposite way, but there's a little flap on one, so you could literally make it a real pocket, which is really exciting, right? Now, look at all the dies that are on here. You get tons. Now, I have tons of samples to share with you, and then I'm going to show you a little trick on how to line it up on the stamp block. Because remember, this stamp is hollow on the inside. When you peel it up, there's not going to be anything on the inside because I wanted you to get all of those extra stamps. So I'm going to show you how to put it on your block so you'll be able to die cut it perfectly. But first, let's look at our samples. Look at how cute this little one is. Those little pockets. The dies come with the little word hugs. So cute. Here's a fun one. Lots of cute little sayings. A little hug from me to you, filled with lots of prayers and big love too. Now, I bet you're wondering, where did that stamp come from? Well, you need to go check out the next video, just saying. And look how cute that pocket is on there. Here's a cute pocket with Santa in there. So cute. A little hidden gift card. You could put a little gift card in that pocket. So fun. See how I told you it makes a pocket? Which is so handy dandy, right? It's just so much fun. Open it up. Pocket hug. Hope, prayers, love. I'm sorry. Hope, hugs, prayers. Here's a cute one. Birthday wishes. Isn't that fun? A pocket on a pocket, which is really fun. A little pocket money for you. So you could include some little pocket money in there. Let's see. Oh, here's a cute one with our little bear all decorated, ready to go. Pocket hug. So fun. Now here's a cute one with sunglasses hanging out. Isn't that adorable? A pocket full of dun, 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 sunshine. Look how cute those little strips are just hanging out there. Little side tag that says hugs. So fun. Here's a cute one, a little pocket money. And Michelle made this one, and you could easily add some money in there now. She just photocopied, which was so smart because obviously she's not going to send me money. But look how cute this is. Can you imagine making this on a slimline card, adding 3 little pockets, and then putting in $1 or $2 or whatever you want in each pocket? How fun would that be as a gift? Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love that idea. Here's a cute one, pocket hug, and some other cute little things that you're gonna see in just a minute. So much fun this month. Oh, look at this one on a 5x7 card. So not only is this die and stamp set perfect for the smaller cards with the smaller pocket, but I give you the big pocket also, so you have lots of other options to use on using that pocket. So look, there it is, pocket hug on a 5x7 card. Oh, look at this gorgeous one. Perfect with all those gorgeous flowers on there and that cute little stitching. Open it up. It's even decorated on the inside. Here's another cute one. Pocket hug. Again, 5x7. So again, you're using all different sizes of card bases. You're not just stuck on one or the other because it's so large, but you're also given that smaller size as well. Here's another one, a little pocket money, and you can just pull this out. Ooh, look at all the money. I'm rich. Look at that. How fun is that? So cute with the little piggy bank on there. Birthday hugs. My design team went crazy, didn't they? They had so much fun. Here's a cute one, pocket hug. So cute. Carry me close so you will know you have a hug wherever you go. Isn't that sweet? Here's another cute one. Friends are like pockets. You can never have too many. Oh, so cute. I love that. Here's another one. A pocket full of hope, prayers, sunshine. Cute little doily on there. You know how much I love my doilies. Open that up. So cute. Now this one takes the cake. Are you ready for this one? This one's by Michelle. It says, prayers, a little hug from me to you, filled with lots of prayers and big love too. Now she made it a little pocket, right? And she used our tabs, or I think she used the Skinny Minis to stamp topics, but it has the little tab on it. And this one says love, using our Skinny Mini alphabet. And then she wrote the Bible verse on the back that coordinates with love, one of them. And this one, for example, is Romans 8:38 through 8:39. And she wrote that awesome. And I love that she did it in her own handwriting, because that's even more exciting. So this one says healing, and it's a healing verse. This one is Jeremiah 5:15. This one is hope. Isn't this adorable? Jeremiah 29:11. Imagine making this for someone and just giving these options to them. So whenever they were feeling sad or they needed hope, they could pull out that Bible verse. Perfect to keep in your Bibles as well. I love it. Now, let me show you how easy it is to do these stamps. Oh, and of course our club members get the little card, the postcard. Let me show you how easy it is to line up once you know the secret, okay? First of all, secret number one is you need to have the right size block. So go check out our website. We just added some a new size to our website that will fit perfectly. And check out our prices on our blocks, because our prices on our blocks are amazing. Okay, so we're gonna use a piece of paper on the bottom. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take that stamp off. Now, as I mentioned, remember I said it's hollow on the inside because I wanted to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other stamps on there, right? So of course you want those extra 5 stamps. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it face down, put the die face down, and we're gonna put the stamps face down. And we're gonna move it around so it's in the die that it's gonna die cut, right? And I'm moving it around because this is going to allow it to get the right shape. Move it around and see how it just kind of conforms to that die. Then I'm going to take my block, stamp on the back, and then lift up. Now it's perfectly aligned, so I will be able to die cut it, okay? Because if I were to do this and I were to say, oh, here's my stamp, I'm going to put it on my block, no matter what you do, it's going to get crooked, right? Because there's just not the inside to it, which would have been a waste, right? So what you're gonna do, I'll show you again, die face down, stamp face down on your paper, and you're gonna move it around, kind of move that so it'll allow it to get to the right shape, move it around, and then, and I always like to do the top also, like pull it down so it really lines up to that straight edge, and then you're just gonna go boop, and now you're ready to stamp. I know, so easy. Okay, club members, of course, yours are already on their way to you. Yay! Kenny gets up extra early in the morning and he gets those in the mail, rain or shine, holiday or not, on the first. They always are shipped. Now, if you're not in the club, you are really, really missing out. Our club is so amazing. You get stamp sets sent to you. You can also join the Die Hard where you're getting the stamps and the dies that match. Oh, it's so much fun. And you get a 15% discount off of everything on our website. Now, some club members get a 20% discount because they're in our Gold Club. Do you need to hear more? Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on the little link up at the top that says Join the Club. Just watch that video. Check it out. See how awesome it is. And you know what? I bet you're going to want to join. Guess what, my friends? There is even more. Stay tuned for the next video because you're going to want to see those items as well. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.